for coming out to support my mom, and in my opinion, my mom is somebody who has truly achieved greatness throughout her life. But how is it that we choose and say how somebody is great? Is it like the amount of money that we make, or our status in society, or the power of the position that we're in? I say it's none of these things, because being great is somebody who touches as many lives as they possibly can. And my mom is somebody who touches lives every day throughout her words. She uses her words and her voice to inspire people, as well as help those whose own voices are being suppressed or are not listened to. She helps those in need while simultaneously inspiring everybody around us. My mom is not the type of parent who would ever pressure me to pursue the typical high-paying jobs like a doctor or a lawyer. And while those are great jobs if you're passionate about them, my mom only ever wanted me to be in a position where I could help as many people as possible, regardless of the amount of money I would make myself. She herself has sacrificed so much for the happiness of me and my brothers. She didn't pursue a common job for so long just so that she could ensure that none of us were neglected. Her life has been dedicated to our happiness for as long as I can remember. From simple things like taking time out of her busy schedule to play Ludo with us, to more complex things like standing up for us valiantly and defending us from the world. She has protected and loved us in unimaginable ways, and I'm so grateful and thankful for her. Her strength, kindness, and love inspire me every day. She inspires me as a mother, as a sister, and as a friend. I love her so much, and I hope that one day I too can follow in her footsteps and too achieve greatness. Thank you.